Hi everybody and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna be talking about Planck. Planck is, as you can see on the left side of my screen, on my main system, that is Planck. And I use on a daily basis because I don't want to go every time on a menu, look for the application, click the application to open. I rather have here, click it, open, that's it. And the applications I don't use very often, I can just put on favorites, like I normally would go and put it here. So I don't need to look for the applications unless it's really necessary. So the main ones I like to put on a Planck or any type of dock that you decide to do that. Some Linux operation system, what happens is when you click and search for Planck, if you don't find it in the first place, that means that you need to find if it's installed or not. And if it's not installed, normally all the setup is not done, so you need to do yourself, which is in this case what's gonna happen, because I installed Planck and this operation system does not come with Planck as a default, or Cairo or any other dock. So I install it, but it's not set up. And the reason I'm saying this is because when I go to log out, let's say I'm going for a quick coffee or cup of tea, and then when I come back, I log in and Planck is gone. The reason for that is because the system itself, by default, if the application doesn't have a permission to be active when I log in, what will happen is it will be turned off. So the operation system will kill the application, kill in a way that it will turn off the application, and it's not gonna turn on when you log in. There are two ways to deal with this. One is to use the terminal, but I'm not gonna do that because I'm trying to do a video for beginners, especially people who are new to Linux, don't know how to do this. This is the best way and the easiest way. I try to find it to get it done, and it is really very basic. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go again, look for the application Planck. With the mouse we're gonna do right click, go to edit application, and you'll see this window here. Next we're gonna open settings, and we're gonna scroll down. You may or may not have this application, which is session and startup. If you don't have, you just need to go to the software store and you will find it there. There is another way, which is to open the terminal and create a script, but that is too complicated and is not a beginner friendly, I would say. So let's click here and applications auto start. Here is where all the applications that needs to be auto start when you need, for instance, XFC, like in my case I'm using the desktop environment, and if you're using KDE, if you're using GNOME, you'll know that those main applications are always stick on because it will start as soon as you log in. But Planck is not, so we need to create a line here to make Planck to be active or to be triggered to be active when you log in. To do this, we need to go here at the plus sign, click it, and it will open this small window. In here, we're gonna put those three lines that you see here. So let's start for the top, copy, and paste. Second line, you guys should be aware there is a dot at the very end. That has to be part of the line, okay? Then you click and paste. and the last line. By clicking OK, we create a line. Let me just close this. If I scroll down, you'll see Planck is here now, and is already tick. So that means that the system recognizes now that this application needs to be active anytime I log in. So I don't need to tell him nothing else. He knows already what to do. Let's close this. What I would suggest you after you do that is to reboot the system. Log in and log out may work, may not, may cause issues. So I would say to you, reboot the system. That is the best way to do it. So I'm gonna reboot. And now I'm gonna log in. And voila, I have Planck active every time I'm gonna log in. That's done, job done, easy, smooth. Yeah, I just wanted to do this video so you guys can have a video at least to explain step by step how you do and how you go about doing that. Because sometimes I see some questions about that. Sometimes I see the replies are not really very kind of friendly in a way that a beginner, a person who never tried Linux can do. And this to me is the most basic way of doing that, so I can show you guys what is the next step to do when you install any type of dock, because it doesn't work just on Planck, it works on any type of dock. You need to make sure that you do those steps to make sure that every time you log in it will be on. Yeah, so that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.